Hello, Jared and June here. We've got Caribbean red habaneros, homegrown. We're both a little nervous about it, but no pain, no gain. Let's do it.
Are you gonna stick it all in your mouth? I might just take a bite.
Nope.
I can't. I'm gonna take a bite.
Ooh, it's already hot. Juicy. Oh man, it's not as sweet as the Orange Habs, is it?
No, it was hot.
Heat was right off the bat. Ooh, back of the throat, getting blasted. I'm starting to crop. Oh. Fill up my ears. It's considerably hotter than an Orange Habanero. Back in my throat, on fire. Ears are going. Oh.
I was stupid.
Oh, Lord. See me through this time of ignorance. Woo-wee. It tastes like I might die. The hiccups. Quick like. We're 1 minute into it. And it's getting hotter. My throat has already given up the ghost. It's numb. I don't even feel my throat unless I swallow. I can feel it like down up in here. Oh my. Oh. My nose is going. Ooh. My ears are popping and ringing, crying like a oh wow. My own breath is nuclear. Magnificently hot. Oh, you know, it's got that searing heat of a cayenne, but it's hotter, and then it's still got that habanero burn in the throat and the back of the mouth, and it's moving around a little bit now. Oh wee. By all general purposes, they basically always say that they're roughly twice as hot as an Orange Hab, and I'm not going to argue with them. I don't find it quite as flavorful as an Orange Hab. The Orange Hab has a fruity sweetness to it. This had a hint of a fruity sweetness to it, but it wasn't there for very long. Oh man, warm. My ears have quit popping, itching, and the back of my throat, what throat? It's gone. I don't even feel it. I don't even feel it in the back of my throat. When I'm talking, it almost feels like someone else is saying something. Because my ears have this kind of just a thing going.
My lips.
My lips.
Roof of my mouth.
My lips are hot. Roof of my mouth is hot. The back and the middle of my tongue is on fire. My cheeks are like burning. Not attacking the lips too terribly bad, but anyway, it's a little less subtle than the Orange Habanero. It's definitely more closer to the business end of a habanero. Ah, yeah.
Feel it in my stomach.
Yeah, my stomach's kind of warm. I'm thinking, ooh. Breathing is a necessity, but it's not comfortable.
My mouth is throbbing.
Yeah, mine too. It's pulsating. It's like, it's like, I mean, if taste buds and nerves can make a noise, that's what noise they'd be making. Just a pulsing, just throbbing. Just, oh man. Every time I close my mouth and swallow, that burn instantly just reappears. In me anyway, right in the back of the throat, the roof of the mouth and everything. It's just like bam, then it goes away real quick, and then it's just that steady burn still going. Which we were at 4 minutes. Jared and June here. We just got done molesting our mouths with a Caribbean red habanero. Got 3 plants growing out back, and I got a bunch of pods all ripening at the same time. We had 2 of them that were ready, so we had to try it, and yeah, they're significantly hotter than Orange Hab. I'd say the comparison difference would be like comparing a jalapeno with a cayenne. As far as the intensity of the heat. But I like the Orange Habanero flavor a little bit better, actually. It's fruitier and tastier. I hate to keep comparing, but it's the closest pepper I know to compare it to. A little hint of a sweetness when you first bit into it, but man, it did not take long before the heat took care of any taste you were tasting whatsoever. And it was just heat. Hit me instantly right in the back of the throat. Then the throat went numb. Then my cheeks and my mouth and just the roof and tongue and everything was just started throbbing and got more intense and more intense to about the 4 or 5 minute mark, huh? Figure?
Yeah.
And then it pretty much just stayed there and started letting off. I'm still drooling a little bit, and the spit reburned when I swallow it again. It's like I still have pepper in my mouth. And I still have chili in my mouth every time I swallow. But I'm sure it's gonna keep on going for a few more minutes. But I've got that satisfied, I did it kind of mellow.
Do I recommend somebody eating one whole raw? No.
If you're a chili head,
Yeah.
yeah.